Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami di sini akan mempresentasikan hasil dari kelompok kami yang beranggotakan Sigi Nurfansyah, Izin David Juliano, dan Zainal. Article Development and Technological Advancement. The development of this technology know-how has many remarkable progress shows. Many things of the life sector who have used the extent of the technology itself. Its presence has provided a considerable impact on the lives of human beings in various aspects and dimensions. Such is the case with communication technology, that is the hardware equipment in the organizational structure that contains the value of the social that allow individuals to collect circumstance where a technology capable to change something that is not necessarily can be made into a reality. For example, if the first person cannot speak with others who are in place, that is a very way. From this, again with the discovery of various simple devices, ranging from analog based phones, development and developing continue to offer a variety of other electronic devices until these technologies interact with each other. Existing communication technology is an answer of the times. This happens because of growing forward a human civilization. The technology will continue to undergo development to a like pattern developing era of mankind itself.
The Nation of Communication Technology and Information Technology, according to Roger 1986. Technology is hardware equipment in the organization structure that contain the whole of the social that allow individual to collect, process, and exchange information in the quotation from the lecture material development of communication technology, Zambrogi SOS. 1. I can vision the communication technology is a new discovery in the aspect of leader individual can use access and profit and the information to other people universal. Will according a early 1998 to the information technology, namely including communication systems such as direct broadcast, satellite interaction, two-way cable broadcasting, and low power broadcasting. Computer including personal computer, handheld computer, and a new on, and television including video disc and video cassette tape. That from communication technology in perspective background and development Zulkarim Nasution 1900 Act Nina between communication on technology with information technology. Aisha are actual intervened, but still there is the set that distinguishes between the two.
Development of communication technology. At this time, the need for technology, information and telecommunication technology was very high from the start to the middle to the bottom and the middle to the top. An individual desperately need technology to accelerate development or improving the construction of both individual and group development. The development of technology, which is currently very quickly, is the communication technology, which present a selection of from technology and sophistication. Development of the communication itself is actually in line with the life and existence of mankind itself. There are four main determinant points in the history of human communication. According to Nordenstring and Paris, 1973 R1 acquisition language that is at the same time with the birth of a human being. The development of the art of writing with a communication based on the talk. 3. Reproduction of the written word by using the alt printer, allowing the realization of mass communication. The advent of electronic communication. 4. The advent of electronic communication ranging from the telegraph, telephone, radio, television, up to the satellite. Quote from Communication Technology in Perspective, Background, and Development. Zulkarnain Nasution, 1989-15. According to Alvin Toffler, there are three civilizations in the development of the technology itself. That is, the act of the agriculture industry and the last day of the age of information. Cited from Communication Technology in Perspective, Background, and Development. Zulkarnain Nasution, 1989. Previous just scratch the back that the actual communication technology itself has emerged since prehistoric time, where at that time we're already able to use a form of communication. But the form is still very simple. For example, from limited the movement of the tool body as the language of image, sound of bones, and so on. But even so, it has been regarded as a form of communication that are appropriate at the time. Further development has been a little progress, a step better. For example, in pictograph form of communication used by the Sumerians, hieroglyph in the ancient Egypt.